MJ companies that benefit from New York legalization. So New York legalization is probably the most important legalization in the United States. Why? Because New York is a very, I don't know, it's a historical city in the United States. The New York Stock Exchange is in the United States. The bombing of the Twin Tower was in New York, I think, wasn't it? I was pretty sure it was in New York. New York is very, I don't know. I just say it's a really big part of the United States history, and it's the most important state to legalize MJ, in my opinion. And there's the New York Stock Exchange, which is in New York. So yeah, I think New York's really important, and companies that benefit from New York legalization. So I ran across this list of 3 MJ stocks to benefit from New York recreational MJ approval, and according to this, there's Cresco Labs, Curaleaf, and Columbia Care, and all these have high market caps. Cura is more than $4 billion US. Cresco Labs is like 2 or 3 billion US, and Columbia Care is probably more than $2.82 right now. I'm not sure, but these are really expensive stocks. Well, Columbia Care might be the cheapest of the 3 still, but these are expensive, and so I'm looking on New York City, and these are all the dispensaries. There's Vero Health. Vero is really cheap, and look at the rating on it, 375, right? So Vero so far looks like the best deal. There's Brooklyn B Brooklyn, where who B Brooklyn owns. Who owns B Brooklyn? It's Ianthus. And then here's another Vero Health with 377. Columbia Care has 4 stars out of 219. There's MedMen. Everyone who knows what MedMen is. I don't know what this one is. Here's another Columbia Care. Hemper, New York City. Kira Leaf, New York Queens. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. Cannabis penny stocks. What? Here's another Ianthus locations. Look like Ianthus has 3 locations. That's pretty nice. And here's another MedMan. I think Ianthus has 3. Yeah, 3 New York locations. Ianthus is pretty cheap right now, in my opinion. So Vero Health, right? Vero Health has high rating, 304 million. The stock has sold off quite dramatically, and its highs was $4.68, but it has made a death cross. So I definitely be careful, and I think there's a possibility it could drop lower, but definitely keep an eye on this one. I bought into this one because look at how many dispensaries they have. They have 3 in New York, and they're so cheap. $59 million market cap. $59 million market cap. Think about G-Tech. You guys are buying G-Tech that have no retail locations, and they have a few facilities in Edmonton, in Alberta, in Canada, and they're valued at 3 times the value of Ianthus. Think about that. Just think about that. G-Tech. $141 million right now. Ianthus, $59 million right now. I bought into this one because I thought it's cheap. Man is expensive. It's $212 million. It's more expensive than G-Tech. But Man has the branding, I guess. But still, you know, they're very expensive. But New York's really important. And look at how much competition there is. There's not a lot of competition for dispensaries in New York. So when New York goes legal, boom! These stores are going to be packed. Busy. Super busy. Lots and lots of people are going to line up everywhere because there's not enough dispensaries in New York City, in the New York State in general. So yeah, I definitely see you know, more companies are going to come into New York, but still these companies are going to benefit the most at the beginning because they're the only dispensaries right now. And I bet you anything these companies are going to get, they're the first ones are going to get more, the ability to build more dispensaries. So I don't know, I feel like Ianthus is extremely undervalued and they will soon be profitable. So I don't know. I think that this is the best one to buy. It is riskier because of all the problems that they had, but that's, you know, that's my favorite right now for the New York legalization. And I think it's also severely undervalued for what it offers. But it doesn't matter what I think. It matters what big money thinks at the end of the day. Big money really moves the market. So, Promised Neverland. The Promised Neverland. So, I just finished watching this because a lot of people were like raging all about it. This is awesome. This is my favorite show or whatever. So, my thoughts are the first episode was not bad. And then the rest were like boring. Like the next 6 to 7 episodes were kind of boring, and it doesn't get interesting and intense until like the last 3 episodes. So the last 3 episodes made up for the entire series because the entire series was kind of boring. I was like, yawn. I was like, what the hell? This is boring. What do people find so interesting about this? And then you go to the last 3 episodes, you're like, whoa, this is like pretty awesome. But besides that, it's boring, and I get why people like look forward to season 2 because season 1 left off with such a huge cliffhanger. So you know that's the I think that's the reason why people liked it so much, because there was such a huge cliffhanger at the end of season 1. So just saying, I just finished watching it. It's on Netflix if you're interested. If you can last through the 6 boring episodes before the before the last 3, you know, you might like it. I don't know. Just telling you that the beginning is super boring on the show, but near the end it's really good. The overall market right now is red. S&P 500 is red. Nasdaq is slightly green. You know, it's just 10-year yield is down. Market should be bullish, but it's not. Oil is slightly down. Gold is slightly up. Oil is down. Gas is slightly down. So, Planeteer went from green to slightly red. Tesla is red right now. NIO was red at the beginning, turned slightly green. Bitcoin right now is down 9%. That's kind of brutal. Kodak, I don't know why I have Kodak here. Space Virgin Galactic is down 2.43%. Tattoo Chef down 2.22%. Roblox. And you know how bearish I was on Roblox? I was like, don't buy Roblox. And now it's down a lot. Space down 8. I don't really talk about. Village Farms is down 6 cents. Lordstown is popping a little bit right now, up 20 cents. SOS is down 27 cents. Hello Pal is down 10 cents right now. Yep. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.